What is up, guys? Ashley here with Handmade Haven, here to show you how to replace a shower head. So the Home Depot sent me over this MOEN Magnetix shower head, and I'm going to be showing you how I replace my current shower head with this new one. So I first started off by just removing my old shower head. This step was pretty easy. I just used some channel locks to loosen it up a little bit first, and then just twisted it right off. Then I added some extra thread seal tape just to make sure I was all sealed up. Then I hand screwed on the magnetic dock. This dock allows for easy release and securely snaps the hand shower back into place. Once the magnetic dock was in place, I took this 60-inch metal hose and attached the shower head to the one end, and then took the shower head and placed it on the magnetic dock. Then I took the other end and screwed it under the magnetic dock. And just like that, I was done. I took the shower head for a test run and it works amazingly. One feature that I love about this shower head is that it has a dial that easily rotates through 6 settings. It has a massage setting, relaxing massage setting, wide coverage, rinse setting, downpour setting, and soothing massage. So it definitely has options. And that's it, guys. With 3 easy steps, I was able to change out my old shower head with this new MOEN shower head from the Home Depot. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Later.